Hi, I'm Emily and I'm giving the 4th tutorial, also the final one of the 8 brocades on behalf of Manchester Confucius Institute. Qigong helps to balance the vital functions and to drive stagnant energy and toxins out from the system. I have seen amazing results in just 6 to 8 months of practicing the 8 brocades. Movement number 7. 攥拳怒目增气力. Clench the fist and glare fiercely. Start by slightly bending your knees and place hands in a ball-holding position. Breathe naturally. Widen your stance by stamping your right leg to the right. Keep your feet parallel. Squat down and place your face to the side. Push your left hand forward with force and breathe in. Open and cross the palm while moving your waist and holding it for a second or two. Bring the left hand to the waist and breathe out. Breathe in when punching, and turning your hands and hold your breath. When hands are back to your waist, breathe out. Punch and look angrily, turn your wrist, hold your breath and hands back. Punch and look angrily, turn your wrist and hands back. Punch and look angrily, turn your wrist and hands back. Stand straight and feet together with hands down. Movement number 8. 背后七颠百病消. Bouncing on the toes. Stand naturally with your feet parallel and shoulder apart. Let your arms hang loosely at your sides. Lift the heels off the ground as you breathe in. Breathe out while drop the heel to the ground. Repeat and make sure your shoulders are relaxed and empty your minds of all thoughts. Breathe out and feet down. Heels off. Breathe in. Breathe out and drop the heels. Breathe in, lift your heels. Breathe out and drop the heels. Lift. Drop. And 2 feet together. Hands back to the ball holding position. Breathe naturally. Relax your whole body. And look to the front. Breathe naturally. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. You should feel your whole body are very relaxed and quite warm.